Okay, welcome to the Mathematics Grade 6 of Tehaka Elementary School. Today, we'll talk about order of operation. In math, order of operations are the rules that state the sequence in which the multiple operations in an expression should be solved. The PEMDAS rules that state the order in which the operation in an expression should be solved are: parentheses. Number 1. They take the precedence over all other operators. The first step is to solve all the operations within the parentheses. Work out all grouping from inside to out. Whatever is in parentheses is a grouping. Number 2. Exponents. Work out all the exponential expressions. Number 3. Multiplication and division. Next, moving from left to the right, multiple or divide whichever comes first. And the last, number 4. Addition and subtraction. Lastly, moving from left to the right, add and or subtract whichever comes first. Why we need order of operations? Okay, I give you an example. This is the first people answers and this is the second people's answer. Look at this. 2 plus 5 times 4 equals, the first people do this number is 2 plus 5 equals 7. Then times 4 equals 28. And how about the second people's answer? This is the same number, 2 plus 5 times 4 equals, okay? The second people do not do the first step, but he count the second step. 5 times 4 equals 20. Then times 2. So the equal is 22. This is different answers. That's right. And which is the right answer? The first or the second? Okay. Before I give the right answer, I want to explain about the next step. Order of operations. P is parenthesis. This is the symbols. The number is grouping. And E is exponents. This is repeated multiply. Look at this. This is the symbols. Then M is multiplication. This is the symbol. And D, this is the division. And A is addition. And S is subtraction. Okay, here's an example of how we can get different answer if the correct order of operation is not followed. The first is expression solved from left to right. And the second is expression solved using order of operation PEMDAS. Look at this. 6 times 3 plus 4 times, this is the grouping, 9 divide 3. The first step is 6 times 3, look at this, equals is 18, then plus 4 times grouping 9 divide 3. Then from the left again, 18 plus 4 equals 22 times the grouping of 9 divide 3. So 20 times 9 divide 3 equals, look at this, this is 20 times 9. This is 198 divide 3. This is from the left to the right. Okay? Equals is 66. And about the second answer, this is using order of operations or PEMDAS. Look at this. 6 times 3 plus 4 times grouping 9 divide 3. We can look at here P. This is the parenthesis or grouping 9 divide 3 equals 3. So look at this. 6 times 3, 18 plus 4 times 3 equals 12. So 18 plus 12 equals 30. This is the right answer. Okay? Okay. Order of operation. Number 1. Parenthesis. Perform operation with parentheses and or other grouping symbols. Look at here. This is the parenthesis. You can count first. So 25 minus 5 times 3. 3 is from here. 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 3 exponent 2 divide 3. So the second step is exponents. Find the value of all exponential expressions. 25 minus 5 times 3 plus 3 exponent 2 divide 3. Look at this. This is the repetition of multiplication. 3 times 3 equals 9. Okay. Then step 3. Multiplication and division. Perform all multiplication and division in order from left to right. Look at here. 25 minus 5 times 3 equals 15 plus 9 divide 3 equals 3. Okay, so the last step is about addition and subtraction. Perform all addition and subtraction in order from left to right. So 25 minus 15 plus 3, look at this, from the left is 25 minus 15 is 10 plus 3 equals 13. Okay? After we study together about other operations, let's sing together.
multiplication and division in the same step. Addition and subtraction, if you got the nerve. From left to right, first come, first serve. Parentheses first, 2 times 4, the product's 8. Are you ready for more? Exponents next, 2 squared is 4. Let's move down like we did before. Time to divide or multiply. Let's see what we got. Take a look at the signs. Divide the 8 by the 2. The quotient's 4 and we're almost through. It's finally time to add or subtract. 8's the answer and that's a fact.